Hi and welcome for the folding suggestions for the month of Feb 2021. So let's begin. I actually wanted to teach you guys about the different levels of complexity in origami, and I thought this video would be the perfect introduction for that. Plus Valentine's Day is also this month, so 2 of my 5 suggestions are also going to be origami hearts, that is Valentine's Day related. So let's begin. So there are 5 levels of complexity: super simple, simple, intermediate, complex and super complex. So these are the 5 difficult origami levels that you need to master. The first suggestion is going to be of a super simple design, that is the heart by Shafer. This is an easy design. You can make this in a matter of minutes and it's very fun to fold. In case you forgot to get a present, this is the thing for it. Designed by Shafer, who has written about 3 books of origami, is active in the origami space and also active on YouTube, where he's got his own channel. And my second suggestion for you is The Key to Love by the late Francis O, here demonstrated by Leela Torres. It's a nice design and I love the effect. If you've just developed interest in origami, this is the design you must fold. My third suggestion to you is an origami classic. Almost everyone who does origami has made this model one time or the other. It is the Origami Fireworks by Yamauchi. This is an easy flexigon, meaning it folds around itself. It's a modular action design. So it's really interesting to see having a flexigon, which is a geometric thing, a modular, which is a combination of multiple pieces of paper, as well as an action model, all coming together. And I would highly recommend this to you. My fourth design, and we are entering the insect territory. This is a complex design. It is going to be the Centipede designed by Henry Farm. This is a little difficult design and you are entering the territory of origami insects, which is a separate subculture within the origami community. So watch out for this design because it will take you some time to master, but the effect is also action oriented, meaning you can wriggle the worm, and I really love this design. I would highly recommend it and would request you to please give it a try. A final design, this is a dragon and I really love this dragon. It's a super complex, again a modular design. It will take you hours to fold this and I'm sure very few are going to be attempting this, but definitely this design is worth all the effort that you put in. That's it guys, that's all I have for this month. Do check out these and these videos in case you have missed out on any, and please don't forget to subscribe this button because it really helps me reaching out to more viewers like yourself.